What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We having breakfast today. We have blackened fish, eggs, and grits, y'all. Fish and grits. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
So first thing we're gonna start off by doing is making our blackened seasoning. So we're gonna use approximately a teaspoon of black pepper, about a teaspoon, as you can see. Then we're gonna come in with a half a tablespoon of onion powder, half a tablespoon of smoked paprika. Now you don't have to use smoke, you can use regular if you want. Not a problem, y'all, not a problem. Then a half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Now a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, y'all. That cayenne. Then about a tablespoon of oregano and a tablespoon of dill. Now if you was doing steak, you would probably want to use thyme instead of dill. And then we're going to use about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of salt. Now of course, salt will be to your taste, and so with the cayenne. Add a little bit less or a little bit more depending on your taste buds. So we just gonna shake that seasoning up real good. And there we go, y'all. Our blackening seasoning. Our blackening seasoning. So let's go ahead and get it on our fish. Now our fish today, if I didn't say it already, this is ocean perch. And we're gonna go and get that rub on. Well, that blackening seasoning, but we gonna treat it like a rub, y'all. You know, you don't put it on thin. You put it on good. You know, just make sure you cover the whole fish. Just like this, y'all. Just like this. So to 2 cups of water, we're gonna add a half a cup of grits. Now that's 2 cups of boiling water, y'all, as you can see. And we're gonna stir it in, y'all. You don't want clumpy grits, y'all. You don't want that. So you want to keep that water moving, especially at the beginning as it's starting to take. And then we're gonna add a tablespoon of butter. Gonna stir that butter in, get it mixed well up into them grits, cause I like my grits buttery. Then we're gonna go ahead and rain on it. Hit them with a little salt. And a little bit of that pepper, y'all. So let's go ahead and stir that in too. Hit it with that whisk. And we just gonna let this simmer for about 2 to 3 more minutes. And it's gonna be done, y'all. It's gonna be done. Now to our griddle, we're gonna get 2 tablespoons of butter on. Move that around, just keeping it in the same spot so we can get our fish in that spot, y'all. So we want to put our fish right on that butter. So let's go ahead and get our fish on. Skin side down. Oh my goodness. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I done messed up a little bit. I should have cut that skin so it wouldn't draw up on me, but that's okay. Just hold it down if you make this same mistake until it starts adhering to your griddle. And there we go. Now let's go ahead and get my egg on. 2 eggs to be exact, y'all. 2 up. Now I like my eggs over easy. You know, I like that runny yolk, especially when that yolk run off on them grits. That's good eating right there. That's good eating. So after about 2 minutes, our fish was ready to flip. So we gave it a nice flip. And our egg is ready too. Now you have to understand, whenever you're blackening fish, you want it at a real high sear. So that eye back there is high. So it's cooking fast, y'all. Cooking fast. So let's go ahead and get our egg flipped over. And we ready to plate up. The entire cook on that fish was about 5 minutes. 2 minutes on that skin side. About 3 minutes on the other side. But anyway, let's get our over easy eggs on our plate. Come in with that tasty blackened fish. And oh yeah, y'all. Grits, fish, and eggs. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me give this a taste. Oh yeah. Them grits good. Got me a little bit of bite of the fish and the grits. Yes sir, yes sir. Let me get some of these eggs. Break some of that yolky yolk on top of that grit. A little bit of that yolk flavor on that grit. Give me a bite of all of that. Oh yeah, y'all. Look at that bite. Look at that bite. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.